Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Webull application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and actually download Webull application on your phone if you don't have it on your phone. If you do have it, that's great. If you don't, as I said, just go download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go actually and open the application, then sign up to create your account if it's your first time using the application. If you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So for me, I'm just going here and open my Webull application, as you should of course, or as you already did if you want to follow this tutorial steps. And here, as you can see, that will actually be your home or your main screen. As you can see, we are at the watch list section or screen, and if you want to add any crypto or any stocks or any other thing in here, you will find out on one of our videos on how to actually do that. So let's say as an example, as we said, you would like to buy cryptos from Webull application. So all you need to do, just go and click add the markets here, and from here make sure to choose this crypto options, crypto markets options. So of course, don't choose the United States markets or even the global market. So let's just click at cryptos. From here, you would like just to scroll down and find whatever crypto you would like to buy or anything. If you didn't find it, you can just go here and click at the search button. Then let's say as an example, search for Ethereum. As you can see, here is it. And of course, you will be able to start buying or even selling your Ethereum if you have it here. So of course, if you have the full options, if you scroll down a bit, you'll find the trade option there. Then you would like to start, or you can actually buy or sell from there. Of course, you can even make a simulation for your holding. As you can see, you can make simulation by buy or sell. You can add it to your watch list or whatever you want. So that's all be actually for this tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.